Sri Rama worshipped Maharshi Vasishtha and got Jnana. In the same way, Sri Krishna worshipped Guru Sandeepani and got Jnana. Small boy Dhruva worshipped his Guru Maharshi Narada. He got the Narayana mantra as Upadesha. He had darshan of Mahavishnu and earned a permanent place in the celestial space. Prahlada received Upadesha when he was in the mother's womb. Guru Narada Maharshi gave Hari Mantra as Upadesha. Young Prahlada saw God everywhere and became the best among the super